Okay, so guys, in this video we will see how we can set up, download and set up Confluence. Okay, so for setting up Confluence, so just we can click on download Confluence. You can type here, click on this one. So you just click on free. Okay, server is not required. We will do it Confluence. Here is get it free. You can see, right? You can click on here, and then you can give your mail ID. So and then click on setup. So if you have already JIRA, if you have JIRA, right? So if you have set up with JIRA, so from here also in this left corner, so you can click on here, and then you can see, right, recommended options. Confluence is one of the product for the Atlassian. Okay, you can observe, right? There are other products like Confluence, JIRA Service Management, JIRA Product Discovery, Slack. Okay, there are more products out there. So now let's set up Confluence. So why Confluence means, so we are using JIRA and we need Confluence for documentation, okay, collaboration. This is actually Confluence is a collaboration tool. You can see, right, create, collaborate, and organize your work. So for setting up, I'm gonna click on here Confluence, or else we can do it from here also. Okay, so I will click on here Confluence. It will redirect to here, and then you can see, right, try it free. Just click on try it free. Okay, so you can see that unlock exclusive features of Confluence Premium with 14-day trial, downgrade to free plan anytime. Okay, let's do it premium. Okay, so we don't need to give any credit card details. Okay, later we can okay downgrade it to free plan. I'm gonna click on start premium trial. Again, same, it will go to the this page. Welcome. Okay, just click on creative knowledge base, collaborating across teams. Try it out. Okay, I'm gonna skip it. Later we can also do it. What the best describe the work your team does? Software development. I can also skip this one. Okay, not require this one. If you want any specific, you can click on this one, or else you can skip. So team invites, it is already copied. Okay, just finish it. So why it is came is here, I have already I think like I have already like done it. That's why it's showing pronoric organic farming. Okay. So if you want to set up, you can give your mail ID here like this, and then just click on sign up. This is how it will come. So now I have created a one parent space. This is the pronoric organic farming. So now let's say we need to integrate our project. Okay, so we need to create spaces for our project. So in organization there are many projects, many teams are there, right? For specific to our projects, let's say we need to create a pages. Okay, Now we will integrate that. So now I need to go back directly from Confluence to JIRA. This is the Confluence page, right? So you can click on this top left side, this one, right? You can click on here, and then you can see, right, JIRA software. You can go it. You can click on it. So you'll go to your JIRA. So you can select your project. So I'll be selecting any of this project. Okay, company managed project. So now we need to integrate Confluence space for this project. This is the company time tracking. This is the company managed project. So in this company managed project, if you observe project pages, by default, this option is available. Okay. So let's see in team managed project. So in this team managed project, I have not seen that pages option. So why? Because we have not configured it. So we need to configure. For configuring, what we need to do? We need to enable the future. So while we are in Jira sessions, we have discussed how to enable features, right? So now what we need to do, we need to click on project settings. Here we need to go to features. Here we need to enable option pages options, project pages. So I will click this one, and then I will go back. You observed it. You observe. See now project pages are available here. So now we need to integrate our project to Confluence. So how we can do that is we need to click on project pages. So you can observe this one team homepage. So these are the templates that they are available. So get started. So this is the time tracking home. This is our project homepage. So now this is, you can see, right, open in Confluence. So just can click on open in Confluence. See time tracking. This is what we have created. So under this we can create a spaces. So you can edit this. So let's say now Let's say need to create a team. Let's say we can give this our team name. So you can give any. Okay. So just click on update. So let's enable all this. Welcome to your new space. So now we have created this one, team Akas. Under time tracking, so we will create. So now what I'm gonna give is requirements. So now I need to document requirements, or I need to give the team details. Later we can edit this one, and then I need to edit it. I need to insert table. For now I don't want this column. I need to delete this one. So here should be option. Okay, here it is. Entire one. Delete column. I want to delete last column. Okay, delete it. Now we can see only two. So I want to see, I mean, who is PO for this project? SM, who is Scrum Master? So now I need to add few more rows. Insert row below. Insert row below. Okay. PO. Um, so again, these details will be based upon your project. Okay. So these roles will be, see, for any Scrum project, product owner, Scrum Master, or developer should be there, right? Apart from that, if there is any technical product owner is there, right? You can have technical product owner or project manager. You can have project manager. And here, if we have SME, so these are the details we can have it. So team member details we can have it separately. Okay. So let's publish. We can have full details in further. Just publish it. So you can give access also. Anyone can in this space can view and edit. No, I don't want that. Anyone in this space can view. Only some can edit. Only some in the sense people whom I add, right? They can do edit. They can do edit. So later we can do this access and all. Just publish it. So now we have published it. You can see right team details. So we have created separate space for the time tracking. Now I will go to the Confluence page once again from here. See, if you observe here, for our specific project, we have created one space. And this is Punarvika Organic Farming. This is our organization space. So in this organization, so we can create another space. Or else what we can do is here only, from here only we can create. Okay, click on this one. So we can for this. So we can write what is this organic farming, what they are doing. Those kind of stuff we can give. Okay. So for this Honoриca organic farming, so they need some e-commerce, time tracking like for their employees, and also mobile app for selling their products. Okay, right? So for those projects, okay, we need to add some details like no, for example, project. So what is their project methodologies, right? So now we need to add those details here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add content overview. I will add table. So later we will do it more things. I'm just simply giving project type agile framework. Scrum. I will remove this one. I will remove one column. Oh shit. Cell options. You can see for deleting, you can go to the cell options. Delete column. Now I have deleted. So project type agile methodology. So like people call like no, agile is not a methodology. Agile is a kind of mindset. Those things and all. But however, can mention as agile methodology. So Scrum, and also I will mention Safe as well. So why? Because I will also explain how uh, projects will be done in Safe as well. I'm gonna publish it. So title is required. I'll mention organization structure. Later we can edit it. Publish. This is not published. You can see that organization structure. The Punarvika we have organization structure. So again, go back to the original. So now I want to create one more under organization structure. We can create like subspaces. If I click on here, okay, not here. Okay, just click on this one. So now, okay, organization structure. So under this only, I need to have one more page, like no, let's say Scrum. So what are the about the Scrum framework? So like no, in this organization, not in this organization, maybe like let's say this organization have a like software development team. So for them, they need to understand the framework, right? Scrum framework. So what are the uh like Scrum ceremonies we have, like how we do the backlog refinement meetings, how do we do the how do we set up definition of ready, definition of done, like what kind of metrics we will use, how we will conduct Scrum events, what is the agenda, what is do's, what is don'ts, right? So those and all we need documentation, right? So for that we will create one space. Okay. So now I will create one more space, Scrum. Okay. So whatever you will be learning in this, okay, same you're gonna see it in your organization as well. Under Scrum, so I need to add one more. So that is Scrum events. Publish. Under Scrum events, I need to add. So now if you click on here, you can select plus. If you click on this one plus, you will create a child from here also. Once you click on this one, here it is, you observe, right? But here also you can see that plus option. So we can create a sub spaces or child spaces. Now under Scrum, what we have? So in the organization, who will do this one? Agile coaches, or if it is like no small, uh, like no organization, Scrum Master only does. This is what main role of the Scrum Master. So now let's imagine this organization has a Scrum Master. This is very like startup company. So now as Scrum Master, if you join, so these are all the things you need to set up, and then you need to give training to the people in the organization only. So people in the organization to whom you will give. So this Punarvik organization, they may hire like software developers also. They may hire like delivery boys. They may hire farmers. Okay. So you don't need to give like training or coaching to those people. So to developers you need to give, and also to the product owner or like management, for them to understand about this Scrum framework. So how we gonna do software development in this framework? So you need to give them a training. Okay. So but we need to do the documentation of all things. But if you join in bigger companies, this will already there. Okay. Once you join, you will get access to the JIRA, Confluence, and all. Once you get, you can, if you go through those pages, right, you can find, and also you can go through the framework. So how they're following, what are the like tools and technologies they are using for Scrum framework. So you can also give suggestions once you're going through that. Okay. So you can add any points to their definition of ready, definition of done, those things. And okay. So now let's create a subtask. Sorry, child issues. So under Scrum events, what we will have? There are 5 Scrum events, right? This sprint, sorry, this sprint. Okay, we will add data later. Okay, so I'll just publish it. So now, what are the other 4? The sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and sprint retrospective. So now, if you click on here, sprint planning, it will become a child issue for the sprint. I don't want that. I want a child for this Scrum event. So you need to click on here. Now again, this sprint here, sprint planning. Quickly, I will create child pages. Daily Scrum. Okay, daily Scrum I have already added. Sprint review. in retrospective. Okay, I think this video will become lengthy, so I'll stop it here, and then for next video I will do more in this conference. Thank you all. Please subscribe if you like.